Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making the lightest and fluffiest pancake you've ever had. Now let's jump right into the video. So guys, in my mixing bowl I went ahead and I incorporate all my dry ingredients. Then I'll be adding my liquid, and you know all the ingredients will be listed in the description below. You're gonna whisk that until it's smooth. Just make sure that there's no lump whatsoever. So guys, in a skillet on medium heat, I'm gonna lightly brush that skillet with melted butter, and I'll be using my half cup to pour about quarter cup of that batter. It sounds weird, I know. Then you'll know when your pancake is ready to be flipped when the edges look dry and bubbles starts to appear on top of the surface. And this will take about 2 minutes. And once it's flipped, you're going to cook it for an additional 1 minute until it's lightly brown and cooked in the middle. You'll know when it starts to, poof up. Now once your first pancake is finished, you're just going to repeat the process until your batter is finished. And after you're finished with all your pancakes, you want to serve this immediately, guys, because pancake is nasty when it's cold. But this is our pancake, guys. I love you guys so much for watching. I thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Also, go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.